Hey traders and aspiring day traders, welcome back to. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of day trading, where quick decisions can lead to rapid rewards. Buckle up for a crash course in mastering the art of intraday success. First things first, what is day trading? It's a high-stakes game where traders buy and sell financial instruments within the same trading day. It's like the Formula One of the financial world, fast, dynamic, and exhilarating. Before we jump into the action, let's set the stage. A powerful trading platform, reliable internet connection, and a strategic mindset. These are your tools for success in day trading. Risk management is your compass in day trading. Set stop-loss orders, manage your position sizes, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. It's the golden rule for survival in this fast-paced environment. Not all stocks are created equal for day trading. Look for liquidity, volatility, and price movements. Focus on stocks with enough volume to ensure smooth transactions. Technical analysis is your secret weapon. Dive into charts, patterns, and indicators to spot potential opportunities. Remember, charts speak a language and we're here to decode it. Explore different strategies, from scalping to momentum trading. Each strategy has its own set of rules and risk levels. Find what suits your style and master it. Day trading is not for the faint-hearted. Discipline and patience are your best friends. Stick to your strategy, wait for the right setups, and don't let emotions drive your decisions. The learning never stops in day trading. Stay updated on market news, read books, attend webinars. Continuous learning is the key to staying ahead of the curve. After each trading day, analyze your trades. What worked, what didn't. Learning from your experiences is the path to improvement. Congratulations! You've just completed your crash course in day trading. Remember, success in day trading comes with practice, resilience, and continuous learning. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow traders.